This girl's not scared of this. But don't let her think there's a spider somewhere nearby.
Now I just need my snacks.
Come on up and get them. I got the snacks in the backpack. So Jen made me climb all the way down here for her snacks.
I wonder if the mist comes up here. It's like,
Careful. Yeah, it just rises up from down there.
It's like the intro to a really good movie.
The fog. You guys saw all the people that were up there, and here we are. We have this whole side of the dome to ourselves and the birds.
Do you want a protein bar?
No, I'm good. But yeah, I'm just standing on top of this rock right here. These birds messing with each other. So yeah, this is one of our favorite places, Moro Rock and Sequoia National Park. Love it up here. We come up here at least 2 or 3 times a year, at least. Next time we come up, it'll be sunnier, more clear, and we'll be able to see way out, like back there behind us. You can't hardly see out there right now, but when it's clear, you can see way out there. And then back behind me, going back this way, you'll be able to see the Sierra Nevadas much easier. Oh, look at these clouds coming up behind me. This girl. Go down at the end. You guys have a good one. So climbing back down is much easier. I just want to say that.
Y que te vamos viendo aquí. No, ya dale. No, pues ya no vamos a esa. No, que ya casi. Oye, enfadosa. Que la señora de 90 subió. Yeah. Straight up, it was pretty cool.
It's one of the nice things about coming up here too is you hear languages from all over.
Yeah.
This is a world famous national park. People come from all over the world to come up here.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
You know, I'm good with that.
I know.
I blame it on you.
You guys have a good one.
Thank you too.
All right. Yeah, see, this is when it starts getting crowded now.
Peak right here.
Peak hours.
And go.
Yeah. After him, you're clear.
Thank you.
Might be windy.
Still, I was hoping we were going to be able to see it.
Right here. Game of
Queenie. Her throne, ladies and gentlemen. Or toilet, I don't know, one or the other.
Iron Throne.
You were sitting on the Iron Throne, Khaleesi.
Yeah. Remember we used to run up and down here?
Mm-hmm. Those days are over. Chris Brown, what the hell are you doing up here? You gotta get Chris Brown. Rihanna ain't up there.
See, you could say stuff like that if I went to say that.
They'd be like, why are you so racist? Why, because I'm black? All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna cut this off because I am not gonna carry this gimbal and film all the way back. And as I say that, there's a deer up there.
I was like, he's gonna fall. No, he has better
Yeah,
dogs
they're
than
not
we do.
gonna fall.
Can you go up or around?
Oh my God, you saw a deer. Now if we could just see a bear, we'd be perfect. All right, y'all. So that was Moro Rock. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm alive still. Jen's alive still. We got a long walk
Ready to skip?
all the way back to the car.
Skip to my little.
So don't forget, like and subscribe. Share with all your friends and family. Put us on blast, much as you want.
Oh God, no.
And take care. And don't forget to come out to nature and enjoy it before it's too late. All right, see y'all. So yeah, we're gonna check out this burned out tree. soca. There's a wicked witch that lives in there.
Oh, go on this way, baby.
All right. There she is. Not the wicked witch, Jen.
Hi. Welcome to my humble abode.
So it's getting expensive here in California. So now is a good time as any to tell you guys. We decided to move into this tree. It's small. It's like a studio apartment. But the best thing about it, it's only $800 a month. Super cheap. See, look, Jen can't even put her arms all the way across. All right, y'all. We're done for real. Say bye-bye, Moro Rock. Bye-bye, Moro.